Hey everyone, it's Anthony over at PCS. As you can see, we got a Corona hat on because the hair's going a little wild, and just started to jump in with the Corona beard. I got about 5 days in here, so don't laugh, but it's a slow process for me. But a few quick updates. One, it still seems to be mostly business as normal with our call volume. We've dropped since the beginning when we were getting 12, 1,300 calls where we helped so many people get ready to work from home to survive this whole new world. But there's still a lot of people calling in, and we're grateful. Our team's fully together, and we're just happy to be able to help in any way that we can to keep your business moving. Secondly, on the home front, the personal front, a lot of folks are wondering, hey, should I update my iPhone to the new iOS, or should I update this software for this great new feature? My advice to you while we're on lockdown is do not do that. If everything's working, there's no sense of putting a new update on it just to get a new feature that could make other features that you need not work. That being said, any Windows security updates are a must. You want to put them on during these times. Phishing, we talked about that in the last video, is up. People are now triggering a new phishing email scam where they are saying that they know through your phone technology that you were in close contact with someone with the coronavirus. If you receive an email like that, it's absolutely untrue. Do not open it. Do not fill out any information. Also, emails from the IRS regarding tax deadlines and things of that nature. The IRS is not going to email you. So you want to definitely stay away from those things. Other than that, we're continuing to take things day by day, and we're just grateful for all the communication, all the friendship, and might sound kind of weird, but something we're doing. Try a virtual happy hour with your team. Make sure you're communicating more. We've been doing some definitely different things that we never thought 2 months ago we'd do, but they're turning out to be productive and fun. So let's take advantage of the technology that we do have, and let's continue to move forward together. We'll be back in touch soon. Thanks, and have a great rest of your week.